Spring is definitely my favorite time of year. Other than the plane, all you really hear this morning is birds. And honestly, nothing else gets you in the yard like fruit trees, a garden. Gives you a chance to take in all the experience. Look at this pomegranate tree just covered in flowers. This is what a flower looks like when it opens up. Attracts hummingbirds, but it is hard to keep in good condition here in Jacksonville, unfortunately, with the humidity, and we have had a good bit of rain recently. So I just sprayed it. It's wet. Just sprayed it with copper as a fungicide to try to keep these flowers so that they can produce fruit this year. I'll keep you posted.